Guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas. So today is going to be a little different because it's kind of going to be a mixture of like a Vlogmas and a studio vlog until the end of December, I think, because I'm just trying to incorporate all the things all at once, which is typical Shelly style. But the reason why I'm in my jacket right now is I just dropped off the kiddos, and then after I'm done, I have to go to my church and I am dropping off food for local families. My church is teamed up to help feed some local families here in town, and I'm going to go drop those off, and then after that I'm going to do a little bit of Christmas shopping, and then I'm going to come home, and the next thing is to start listing all the things that I did not sell at my market, which, let me talk about the market. It went really well. I am just so blown away with not so much like the amount of money that I made, which I made more than I expected, and I actually ended up donating a bit of it to charity. So, you know, I get what I get, and I also make sure to give it back too. Not to say that that's for everybody, but this is just something that I do. And so I was just blessed to connect with people, and I got to hang out with two wonderful ladies. Debbie Mason, who does Serendipity Arts. I will link her. And then I also have a friend, Wendy, and her business name escapes me, but I will make sure to add it. It was just great. It was just great to hang out with them. And then I also got some quality time with my father, which I really, really enjoy. That is something that he does with me. He comes with me on my events. And so this is like a special thing that we get to do together. So after that, I'm going to be working on listing some stuff. So I'm just going to have you guys follow me along, and we will see how long this goes. I don't know what to expect. I am pretty good about overloading my plate and then not getting a lot of things done, which is probably part of my ADHD. But hey, if you are new here, I am so glad you're here. My name is Shelly. I am a mandala artist, and I paint mandalas. And I love sharing my art with people and helping people. So seriously, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for hanging out, and then let's get into the workday. Got some baby carrots to donate, and now we are going to go head off to the church. I'm back from running around doing all my shopping, and now I have to start taking some pictures, but there is a certain kitty that I'm gonna have to move. He's not gonna be happy with me. Spike, you can't be mad at me, but you have to move because that's where I take my pictures. Okay, buddy? All right. Wish me luck. He's not gonna be happy, but we gotta take pictures. We gotta get the products to the people. what I have listed. So sometimes what happens is I completely forget, hello Rocky, what I have listed on my Etsy shop. So now I have to go through all of my pictures to figure out what I need to take pictures of and what I don't. This one I know for sure I haven't listed yet, so yeah. Now I need to look. Okay, skip. There's not enough room. Not enough room for all of us, man. So, start making a pile of all the stones I need to take pictures of and list on my Etsy shop. Necklaces. These. Got this. My necklaces. So these are all listed. Listed. I also have all of my lovely prints that I need to list. And stickers. I have stickers I need to list. New ones. Got some new stickers to list. Which are these ones, tiger ones, and wherever my sassy panda is. Sassy panda, where are ya? There you are, sassy panda. Okay, I think that is it. Okay. Yes. Okay, cool. Now I need my phone, which... So this is pretty much how I have my photos set up. It's in front of my window, which is over here. And then what this is just board, like, I forget what kind of board it is. But then I took some photo things and I actually glued it onto, I forget what these are called. They are foam boards. So I just ordered some foam boards on Amazon, and then I also bought some of this, which is just, it's vinyl paper with this design on it. I think it came with multiple because there's the wood grain also. But kind of takes the mystery out of photos, doesn't it? But I also try to use natural light when I take these photos because it just makes the product look so much better. So back into it. All right, you guys, I'm going to end this studio vlog right here. I realized that I did not share my setup for the vendor event or anything, but I'm gonna do that now. So please enjoy. If you are still here, and if you could just leave me a comment so I know how far you got in this video, I would really appreciate it. You can leave me a comment of what are you looking forward to to Christmas, or what is your favorite part of Christmas. Either way, just leave a comment. I would appreciate it, then I can know who's sticking around for the whole video. And if you do, if you don't, that's fine too. You know, I'm just glad you're here, and I hope you enjoyed my content, and I'm looking forward to doing more Vlogmas with you guys. But now I'm just gonna share my video of my whole setup for the event that I had last week. And then also letting you guys know that my goal is to have all these listings up on Friday the 6th. So really, by the time you see this Vlogmas, it would have already happened. So I'm looking forward to it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.